Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for agency. To begin, define your agency's core services and client types. Next, create a dedicated workspace within Notion, which serves as your central hub. Then, set up essential databases for managing clients, projects, and individual tasks. Finally, establish clear and consistent naming conventions across all your Notion pages and databases for optimal organization and ease of use. This foundational setup is crucial for long-term efficiency. Effective client and project management is vital for any agency. Use Notion to track all client information, including contacts and communication history, ensuring nothing is missed. Manage project timelines, deliverables, and team assignments efficiently within dedicated project pages. Link client records directly to their projects for seamless navigation. Furthermore, leverage custom templates to ensure consistent project initiation and execution across all your client work. This streamlines your workflow significantly. Boost your agency's productivity with robust task and workflow automation. Assign tasks to team members, complete with clear due dates and priority levels, ensuring accountability. Design custom workflows for common agency processes, such as content creation or client onboarding, to standardize operations. Automate recurring tasks using Notion's powerful template buttons, saving valuable time. Consider integrating Notion with other essential tools for a seamless and efficient data flow across your entire tech stack. Foster strong team collaboration and gain valuable insights through comprehensive reporting. Share dynamic project dashboards and real-time progress updates with your entire team, keeping everyone informed. Facilitate efficient internal communication and feedback loops directly within Notion, reducing reliance on external tools. Generate insightful reports on project status, team performance, and resource allocation to make data-driven decisions. Finally, maintain a centralized knowledge base for all agency resources, ensuring easy access to vital information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.